Okay, today's standard is percent of change. And don't forget to let your smile change the world. So the objective is I can identify the percent of change and use this to find a final price. So we will mainly be talking about tax or tip, and at the end of that problem you will add at the end. So if you think about it and you go to the store, you have a price of an item, and if it's taxed, you will add that to the end of your receipt. And then if you're tipping at a restaurant, that's added on, that's extra money that you have to pay. If it's a discount, we're going to subtract. That's money taken off. So at the end of those problems, we will always subtract. Okay, so in our first one, we have a price item that is $23.70, and we know our tax is 8.7%. So we can use our percentage of tax and figure out what the exact change will be to add on to our original price. So we're going to start with our tax, and you want to turn it into a decimal, and you do that by, you can either divide it by 100, and that will give us 0.087. That is the same thing as taking your percentage and moving the decimal twice. So you would move it twice to the left, 1, 2, put your decimal there, and fill in that 0, this is the typical way I do it instead of thinking about dividing by 100, but either way works. And so then you take that decimal, so we got 0.087, and we are going to multiply it by our original price, $23.70. And when we do that, we get 2.0619, but I know it's money, so I'm just going to keep it out to the second decimal place. And so this is our tax at the end. Well, we want to find our final price, and so to do that, we know we need to add our original price plus our tax. And so when you do that, 23.70 plus 2.06, you get 25.76. And that is your final price. Okay, and number 2, we have the original price is $4.50, and our discount is 25% off. So we have a coupon. And so we want to take our 25% and move the decimal over twice. It always starts at the end if there's no decimal, and so now it will go here. So we have 0.25 times our original price of $4.50, and so that gives us $1, and it says 0.125, but it's money, so we're going to round it to just that second decimal to 0.13, and so this is our discount. And so now we're going to take our original price of $4.50 and take off our discount because it gets subtracted off, so $1.13. And so when you do that, you get a final price of $3.37. Okay, number 3, Mr. Frazier was buying candy for his office. The bag of candy was $8.99, but it was on sale for 20% off. What price did Mr. Frazier pay for his candy? So I see that the original price is $8.99. So original price, we'll shorten it, is $8.99. My sale, so that's discount, is 20% off. So now we're trying to find our final price. So we are going to take our 20% and move the decimal twice. And so we will now have 0.20 times $8.99, our original price. So you can do this at the store anytime you see something on sale so you can know how much you're going to pay. And so the discounted price would be $1.798, or in other words, it would round up to $1.80. So $1.80 will be taken off. So if we have $8.99 minus our $1.80, we know we are going to pay $7.19. Well, Mr. Frazier is going to pay $7.19. Okay, Miss Speak went out to eat to Applebee's. Her bill was $18.76 after tax. She had an exceptional waitress and wanted to tip 20%. What did Miss Speak end up paying after she tipped the waitress? So I see in here that her original bill after tax, what's already added in, is $18.76. So her original is $18.76. She wanted to tip 20%, and tip we add on at the end. Okay, you add it to your bill when you go sign it after you pay with your credit card or you pay with cash. And so to find how much exactly she's adding, we're going to take our 20%, move our decimal. So we'll now do 0.20. Yeah. Oops. Here, I'm messing up here. Times our 1876. And that will give us $3.75. So Miss Speak will add that on. That is your tip. And so her original price of $18.76, she's adding on her tip. So her final charge will be $22.51. Okay, here's your You Try problem. Go ahead and try this and bring that to class.